Hi everyone. So this is our new program on which new project on which we are going to sense the motion, and if any motion will be there in front of motion sensor, then the buzzer will be turned on automatically. Buzzer will start beeping. Okay. So this is our topology or our network diagram. A buzzer is connected to the ground as well as D13, which is giving the output taken from this PIR sensor. So PIR sensor is connected to D2 and giving the output to the D13. So if there will be any output on D13, so buzzer will start beeping. So and if I talk about this PIR sensor, so left should be connected to the ground and right pin should be connected to the plus VCC or 3.3 volt. Okay. Middle one should be connected to D2 to receive the output and forward that output to the buzzer side. Buzzer will start beeping if there any motion in front of this PIR sensor. This is how it works. Well, in this is our ESP32 module. Okay. Okay. Now let's go to Arduino and put the program in. So this is our Arduino. I'm going to copy the program over here. So here is the program I already have created. If you need this program, I already provided in the comments, okay, as well as in description. So let me copy this program and let me upload this program to the microcontroller by clicking on this button. So it is compiling, okay. Once it will be compiled, if any object will be there in front of my PR sensor, then the buzzer will start beeping. Okay, so there is nothing over here. So let me do one thing. Let me show you physically also. Okay, everyone. So this is my buzzer. Okay. So you can able to see that when I am moving the hand in front of my buzzer. So uh, uh, okay, everyone. So this is my physical setup in which I can show you that these are the connections. So as I told you that left one should be connected to the ground and right one should be connected to the VCC. Okay. In the same way, the buzzer is here, plus should be connected to the D13 and other is connected to the ground. So this is how it works. Okay. I already mentioned there. So here is our microcontroller. Okay. Pins over here. So we have connected just like this. And if I move the hand in front of this PIR sensor, motion sensor, then the buzzer will start beeping. So here you can see that the buzzer is beeping. So dear all, you can also try this with the help of breadboard also.